Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about Wronskian. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we can apply the formula of the Wronskian in here. And that should be about the matrix. So yt I will put in here, and t to the power of 4 I will put in here. Later that we need to do first the derivative of yt, and this one we have 4t to the power of 3. So we do first the derivative of t to the power of 4 in here. Next, if we want to find about determinant of this matrix in here, so we have AD minus BC. So for this one, we have like this. And this one equals to this one. Next, we divide both sides by t to the power of 4. And we divide both sides by negative number 1. So we have first the derivative of y and original function. We can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t equals to e to the power of the integration. That is about this one next to yt in here. And we have negative 4 ln of t. So I will put negative number 4 go inside about natural law in here. And we have t to the power of negative number 4. That means we multiply both sides by this one. So this one we have 4 over t to the power of 5. This one we have negative number 3. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first the derivative of y equals to first the derivative of a multiplied by b plus first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first the derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first the derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have yt, and we have t to the power of negative number 4. The integration of this one, we have t to the power of negative number 2 over negative number 2. And I will put about c in here. This one we have 2t to the power of negative number 2. Later that, we multiply both sides by t to the power of 4. This one we have t squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.